If you are a business owner, maybe you're a real estate agent, or maybe even a sales associate, this business workshop is going to be filled full of valuable information that I think you might be interested in. In this business workshop, I'm going to be sharing tips and strategies that I have used for other clients to help them grow and be successful by not only utilizing the tools they have available already, but to help them really understand the value and the power behind video strategies, the different kinds of business cards to help you build brand awareness. And I'm also going to be sharing 5 valuable tips on how to maximize the user experience for your website and any other platform that you're going to be using to communicate with clients. Now, here's what I want you to hear. I am so confident that this business workshop is going to add so much more value and understanding to the way that you're going to be approaching online and social media, especially with interactions with clients, that I'm actually offering this workshop for free. And the reason for that is I just want to add value to you. I want to help you and your company be more successful and grow. So again, I'm going to be covering video strategies. I'm going to be covering the 3 tiers to a business card, including what you can do to maximize an online platform where you're actually going to be interacting with clients. I'm also going to be covering briefly on the business card different ways that you can design it so that way it speaks more clearly to your brand identity and to the brand's purpose. And QR codes are another confusing topic for a lot of people, so I will touch on that briefly. I have several different great solutions, and they're free. And finally, I'm going to be giving you 5 valuable tips on how to maximize the user experience for not only your website, but for a digital business card as well. The great news is I still have a few seats available for this business workshop. So if you want to learn these strategies, you want to learn these tips, click the link below and reserve your seat today. I'll see you guys on the 25th at 7 p.m.